I finally have my own room, my own closet, my own space. I'm not living out of a suitcase anymore. Thank you, Jesus. Hello to my beautiful subs and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you guys a closet tour. For those of you who don't know, I moved to LA around a year ago and I wasn't in my own space until right now. In the beginning of the year I was traveling a lot and basically I was just crashing it at friends' houses who were nice enough to open their doors to me. I've been blessed with amazing friends and yeah, I finally have my own room, my own closet, my own space. I'm not living out of a suitcase anymore. Thank you, Jesus. So I'm here to give you guys some organization tips. There's specific ways that I organize my closet. This is the first time I have a walk-in closet, which I'm so happy and thankful for. So I wanted to do this video to just show you guys the way I organize, and it can maybe inspire you to organize your closet the same way, because I promise you guys, when I walk in here and see things the way I organize them, it's so much easier to get dressed, and I promise if you try it out, you won't regret it. So if you're interested in seeing the way I organize my closet, then just keep watching. So here we have just an overview of my closet from top to bottom. This side of the closet, it's going to be a little longer because we have all my shirts and all my dresses. So in each section of color, there's all items of clothing, from crop sweaters to a shirt to a dress to a cropped dressy shirt. Whatever item of clothing you're looking for, it'll be within its color. So let's get a little closer so we can see what we have here. So in this section, you can see that everything that's on that section is whatever doesn't have straps to it. Any shirts or bodysuits that don't have a strap are gonna go in the front, and then we're gonna move on to dresses that don't have a strap, and then any jumpsuits that don't have straps are gonna go in that section. Then we're gonna go to middle sleeves, and then we're gonna go to the long sleeves. So I've tried to organize each color like that. In the beginning of each color, you'll see all the items with no straps in front of them, and then it'll move on to no sleeves, sleeves, long sleeves. And usually the dresses are in the back, but yeah, like you can see right here, it's all my white no sleeves, then short sleeves, and then the long sleeves. And usually the dresses are all the way in the back. That way it's easy for you to come into a section and say, okay, I want to wear something green. So when you go to the green section, if you want to wear something without sleeves, you're going to go right to the front and find something without sleeves if you want something with middle sleeves or long sleeves. So I guess this is the easiest way for me to kind of choose what I want to wear. And then towards the back section, I have all my long dresses separated from the rest of the clothes. So all of these are going to be short dresses within each color, but then the long dresses are in their own section, so it can go all the way down to the bottom and not cover this side of the closet. So like you could see, even these dresses are way too long. I might move those to the back so that this section right here can stay visible. This was a tip one of my girlfriends gave me, Diana. She's like, why don't you just move all the long dresses to the back and all the long coats to the back? That way I don't have to worry about it blocking that area. On this top area, I have all the coats, all the jackets, anything that I'm gonna wear when it's a little chilly outside. Towards the ends, I just have knitted shirts, so that's why the colors there aren't color coordinated with the rest. So these are all the pants I own. Over here we start with all the jean pants, white, nude, brown, green, blue, goes into some color. We go right back into black, and then we end with red. All my pants are down here. I love it because this is the only section I feel you can truly see the color coordinating situation we have going on. So I have majority of my heels laid out in this tall bookshelf. So I got this bookshelf at IKEA online. It's made for books, but I ordered it to store my shoes on them. Fun fact time, cue the music. Guys, so this shelf actually comes with 7, I think, little, like, you know, compartments, whatever they're called. And I actually had ordered a second piece that went up in the top, but because this was so tall, it didn't fit. So what I did was this. So each one of these has 4 little screws in the bottom, but because I wanted to add an extra shelf, I actually screwed one on the far end and one in the far end towards the back of, I think, 3 of the shelves, so I could have enough screws to place in the spot for an extra shelf. Your girl wanted an extra shelf, so I figured it out. Basically, I did that. So I think that these 2 shelves are the ones that are a little flimsy. If I take out a shoe too quick, this whole thing might come down. So we gotta be very delicate. So I color coordinated this, of course. I just feel like when you color coordinate every single side of your closet, it's just easier, because in the way that I think when I'm getting ready, it's like, okay, color. So then I come here and I'm like, all right, what colors do I want to wear? And I go straight to that section. So the only shoes that fit here were mainly my black and nudes. I also placed the shoes, instead of placing the shoes right next to each other, I placed them in this kind of like zigzag way, because I feel like it compressed more space and it allowed me to fit more shoes. So the way we organized this was closed-toed, then we're gonna step into a little color, and then we're gonna go to the most strappiest shoes, to single straps, and then we're gonna go to no straps, white no straps, white strappy, nude strappy, then nude no straps. You guys got the point. Then down here we have all my sandals, and then my slides, and a few sneakers. All right guys, so I brought you down to the floor with me. In this section, I have sneakers, and then all the way to the far back, we have all my booties. And of course, the sneakers are color coordinated. And I got these shelves in Target as well as the hangers. And I got these little bins at Target as well, which I also have matching in my bathroom, which you guys will see in my room tour. But in these little bins, I actually decided to buy them so I can put all my intimates in one, all my socks in the other, and then my bathing suits. That way I could have more space in my drawer in my room for more clothes, because you guys know we need all the space we can get. So if you guys are having trouble trying to fit all these things in one specific place, in one specific drawer, then maybe try squeezing some bins in your closet and storing the little things in there, because it'll open up space in your drawers for more cute things. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys down to my little dungeon that we all have in our closets with stuff that we don't even touch, we don't even remember we have. But my dungeon is special, and I wanna show you guys why. So behind my dresses, you know, we have a yoga mat, we have luggage, and then we have some products from brands that they have sent me that I haven't gotten to use yet. We have the storage to these lights I have, but we have this bag right here. This bag right here I hold very dear to my heart, and it's because it's my little stash. Ever since I was in high school, I had a stash of food in my room. I live in a 2-floor house back home in Miami, and my mom didn't allow food in the room, and your girl was always hungry. So I had my own little stash in my vanity with little sweets, so that when I would get hungry in the middle of the night, I can just go in there rather than having to walk all the way downstairs. Now, I still kept the tradition going, and I have a stash in my room. Mind you, I live in an apartment, so I could very well walk to the kitchen, but I don't know, it's just I feel comfortable having a stash of goodies in my closet. So I'm gonna let you guys see all the items I have in here. I literally look crazy. Okay, so this is my stash of goodies, guys. Don't judge me. Yep, your girl is crazy. We have Snickers, we have Oreos. If you guys haven't tried this chocolate, you have to. We have cookies. We have Nutri, I don't even know how to say it because it's so healthy. Yeah, guys, your girl is crazy. I know you guys also probably noticed that all my hangers are the same. They're all gray velvet, and that's because if you use the same hanger throughout your closet, it'll give it more of a uniform look. Even if your closet's not color coordinated, just having the same color hangers makes all the difference. I use velvet ones because they say that it's better for the clothes, it doesn't fall off, and honestly it just looks more delicate when you use velvet hangers. I know you guys can see some of them have black hooks. Those I got on Amazon through bulk, and you can barely tell that the hook is a different color, and on Amazon it's just more affordable in really big bulks. I think I ordered like 200 for like $40 rather than buying 10 for $40. I have this huge Henry Benzo beach bag. I used it as storage and decoration for the top of my closet. That's Meshki's product packaging, which I use as storage as well. I have some purses of mine that I just use as decoration, some shoes that I think are so cute, so I just put them up there in the Louis box. And then here I have my forever fave Palm Springs little book bag with some more shoes as decor. Alright guys, so that's all for my closet tour. I hope you enjoyed my little closet organizational tips. That's a mouthful. Organizational. And if you guys like my tips, please let me know in the comments down below what you're gonna try out at home. Yeah, if you guys try any of these things at home, whether it's using the same hanger or color coordinating or keeping a stash of food in your closet, let me know in the comments down below and tweet me the photos because I want to see the way you guys are organizing your closet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to tune into my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.